A very warm good afternoon to all the attendees. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are just about to start our session on Flipkart Growth Tools. Before moving ahead and starting this session, I would like to understand if you all can see the screen and hear my voice. For that, I'm sending you a poll, and I would request all attendees to please address this poll and update me. If the screen is visible and my voice is audible to you, please click on yes. If you're facing any issue, please click on no and give me a heads up. Poll should be visible on your screens now. I request all the attendees to please address this poll. If you're able to see the blue screen with Flipkart Growth Tools written on it and my voice is audible to you, then please click on yes. If there is any issue, please click on no and give me an update. Thank you very much for the update. As I can see, most of the attendees are not facing any issue. There are only two people who are facing little bit of issue with either viewing the screen or hearing my voice. I would request you to please check the network once. If required, you can relog into this session as well. Familiar bags for RTD breaches related query, I would recommend you to please reach out to seller support team and share the order ID which are showing for RTD breaches. They'll be able to help you regarding this issue. So everyone, let's begin our session for the day. In this session, we are going to discuss various growth tools. So I have divided the presentation in two segments. First, I will explain you all the growth levers. And in the second segment, I'll give you some additional tips. Once this is over, we will have our question and answer round. So I would recommend everyone to please hold on to your questions till we start with our question and answer round. So as I said, we'll be discussing about various growth tools. So to boost your sales on seller.flipkart.com, here are some additional growth levers. Using these growth levers, you will definitely start growing your business even further. First growth lever that we are going to discuss is Flipkart advertising. Now, we all are aware that advertising is a medium which helps you in increasing your product visibility, and it also helps you in reaching out to a larger customer base. Now, here with the help of advertisement, you not only drive a huge amount of traffic coming to your product page, but you bring your product under the spotlight. You increase your product visibility, which eventually turns to boosting up your sales. Now, the more number of clicks you get on your product, the chances of getting them sold gets even higher. So the simplest way of getting or achieving more number of clicks on your product page on flipkart.com is through Flipkart advertising. Now, let's understand the basic concept of advertising, how it works. So, you choose a product and you create an ad campaign for it. Flipkart shows these product as featured product on its relevant pages of its website. Now, buyer sees your ad while browsing through the product he or she wants to buy. They will click on your product and come to your product page and take a purchase decision. So, this is how the advertising features works in general. Now, additionally, you get a guaranteed buy now button when you advertise your product, which helps buyers to make a direct purchase on your product. They don't have to add your product in the cart. They can make a direct purchase using buy now button as well. We have also introduced advertising certification course, which is absolutely free of cost. It's available on your advertising tab, and you can register for the same using your seller Flipkart seller portal login ID credentials. So please do and check that Flipkart advertising course. Complete the course. This will give you a lot of clarity on how you should be effectively advertising your product. Other than that, we have also updated our campaign flow, so you can see the complete flow chart on how to create an ad campaign. That's also extremely helpful for most of our sellers. So by understanding step by step method on how to effectively advertise your products or how to effectively create your ad campaign is already available in your advertising tab. So make the best use of it. And we will also be conducting an advertising webinar in coming Wednesday. So you can attend the advertising webinar tomorrow in case if you want to speak to the experts and understand various aspects of advertising, or if you have any query regarding it. So that will be a right platform for you to reach out to our experts directly. Now moving on to next option, selection insights. SID, which means Selection Insight Department, has got a brand new section named Opportunities, which will be visible to you under Listing tab as well as Growth tab. So now this gives you a complete insight on how the products or which products are being searched by customers on flipkart.com, but availability of these products in market is really low. This this page displays the product along with the images so that it is easier for you to identify the exact product. And the concept is the more demand, the products which are in demand, high in demand, but supply of these products are very, very low. So this gives you an opportunity for understanding the market uh, demand, and you don't have to do that research. And this brings a huge opportunity for you to target on that demanding products, and you can easily reach out to the to the right customer for that product. Moving on to new topic, pricing suggestion. Just give me one moment, everyone. Apologies for keeping you on mute. So coming down to pricing suggestion. Now, pricing is a very important factor of any sort of business. When you are selling a product, the pricing is a medium that decides your sales and growth of your business. So now customers are very well aware these days. Before making any purchase decision, they check multiple platforms or channels and then decide which is the best possible deal for them and then make a product purchase. So keeping all this in mind, you should always have a very competitive prices for your products, and it's very difficult for you to check various platforms on daily basis for all the products and decide on the best possible price. That's where Flipkart pricing suggestion feature comes into picture. In case if any of your product requires any pricing suggestion, then Flipkart gives you this pricing suggestion through this pricing suggestion feature. This is available under your Grow tab in the opportunity section. If any pricing suggestion is available there, you can find it under your Grow tab. Flipkart brings you with the most competitive prices for your product in the whole market. And when you apply these recommendations, which are based on competitive and market analysis, this will increase your chances of making a sale. Dear attendees, the webinar is not at all chargeable. Radhikrishan, there was slight disruption. That's why I had to take a pause in between. I hope it's fine. Mr. Anil Babaria, if you're facing any issue with the voice, I would recommend you to please check the network once. If required, quickly relog into the session as well. Moving on to next topic, sale event and Flipkart promotion. Now, the sale event and promotion comes up with a huge amount of opportunity for you to grow your business. Now, in these shopping events and sales comes up with exciting offers for all the customers and almost on all the product categories. Now, to attract a huge number of buyers coming to your product page or website or your mobile or the mobile app, you should be participating in these promotion and sale events. This will give you a huge opportunity to boost your sales. Now, you not only hike your sales with this minimum effort of opting into promotions, but you get a chance to reach out to huge number of buyers in just one go. When you participate in these events, you not only get higher buyer satisfaction, but you can easily become a seller that buyers will prefer to purchase from. Mr. Akash Solanki, today's session is an English webinar session. I would recommend you to please attend next session. We'll be conducting it in Hindi. Flipkart Plus program. Now, Flipkart Plus is a program which has been designed specially for our premium customers. Why do we call them premium customers? Because these customer segment have more tendency to make purchases on Flipkart, and return ratio coming from these customers are relatively very, very low. That's why they are considered as Flipkart Plus customers. So Flipkart Plus program targets that particular customer segment by giving them some superior customer experience. Now, these customers enjoy two key benefits: free shipping and faster delivery of the product. Now, let's understand what benefits sellers get out of Flipkart Plus promotion. As I said, Flipkart Plus customers are frequent shoppers on Flipkart. This brings you an opportunity to boost your sales. When you target this particular segment, knowing that they have more tendency to purchase, this gives you a huge amount of boost. Next is, by giving them free shipping charges, it leads to a high possibility of sales conversion. So this free shipping charge is only for Flipkart Plus customers, not for non-plus customers. For non-plus customers, you can charge the delivery charges. Moving on to Supercoin promotion. Now, Supercoin discount is a new promotional construct which has been designed for Flipkart customers. Here, customer can avail products at lower price discounts on in return for the coins that they have earned by shopping on Flipkart portal earlier. So, for example, whenever a customer is making a purchase, they earn certain coins on Flipkart. So these coins balance up and adds up in their account, and it is actually stored in their account. Next time when they are making a purchase and they see any seller is giving them a lower price Supercoin discount, so that discount amount is exchanged with the coins that is balance in their current account. So they use those coins for the discounted amount. That's how you increase their purchasing tendency. Now there are a lot of benefits that comes along with Supercoin promotion for sellers. When you participate in this promotion, you get enhanced visibility on your products. So that means your reach to customers goes even higher. Second, you get a filter called targeting buyer with Supercoin. This new filter helps you to look for any specific type of Supercoin promotion easily. Now you have to improve your performance matrix. This is a simplest way of doing that. You can start getting more number of orders when you're opting on for Supercoin promotion, and you can achieve your goals very easily. Next is, you can opt in and opt out of these offers anytime you want. It's absolutely your choice. You can anytime decide and opt in and opt out of these offers. Moving on to next, Smart Fulfillment Program. Now, Smart Fulfillment is a program where you seek help of Flipkart for systematically arranging your warehouse, easily maintaining your inventory, and making sure your product is getting smoothly delivered to the customer via Flipkart logistic partners. Now, there are certain benefits of becoming a Smart Fulfillment seller also. First, you get F-assured badges for your product, which is considered as mark of quality and trust. Second, you get huge amount of visibility on your listings. Third, you get recommendations for your top selling and high in demand products or listings. You will see a significant increment in your sales, and you will also see tier upgrade. Next, you can easily manage your inventory in a very structured and organized manner, which is very, very similar to Flipkart warehouses. Next, you see faster delivery of products to your customers. And last but not the least, you get lesser returns. So because you opt in for express working, Sunday working, the delivery of your products become faster, and chances of your product return or cancellation goes very, very low. Now coming down to express delivery and Sunday working. So let's understand Express Working first. Express Working is a program where Flipkart has created this specially for its sellers, and this allows you to work faster and make sure your products are getting delivered to the customer as quickly as possible. In this program, your shipments are picked up in just few hours depending on your express lot, and you have to make sure that you are ready to dispatch your product by that time, by that given time to you. You have to give us the commitment of doing this throughout the year, and your order cutoff time will be 2 hours prior to your RTD cutoff time, which means if your RTD cutoff time is at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, then your order cutoff time will be 10 a.m. in the morning. That's how Express works. Next is benefits of Express Working. So here you can process your orders in the same time, which definitely leads to a better SLA and delivers your product faster. Second is, when you are offering a quick delivery, you automatically lower the rate of customer cancellations. Next, the faster delivery may also result in improved customer reviews and ratings for you. And next is, you will see definitely your seller score improving, and this helps you in achieving or attracting more and more customers when your seller score improves. So these are the growth levers that we wanted to explain you. Other than this, we have some additional tips, growth tips for you. By applying these tips along with the growth levers that I've just explained, you will exponentially improve your business and start selling more and more. Now, first is the catalog. The catalog of your product is being represented on an e-commerce website, which plays a very crucial role in influencing more and more buyers. Now you have to make sure that you have a very well-crafted catalog with crisp description of your product, so that you can convert the traffic on your product page into sales. Next is image guidelines. Since we are in a digital platform, images are very important for reaching out to your customers or attracting them. Now, this is the images are the closest that gives the look and feel of the product, real product, to the customers. So that's why it is considered as one of the most critical elements to be selling online. Now, you should have images of very high resolution, and every detail of your product should be clearly visible. This will help you in attracting more and more customers coming to your product page. Next is good packaging. So there are certain packaging guidelines. You have to make sure that you follow all the packaging guidelines. The look and feel of your product when it is delivered to the customer has major impact on buyers' buying experience. Packing product with good packaging material minimizes the chances of product being damaged during transit. So make sure you follow the packaging guidelines and send your products to the customers in an intact manner, so that the chances of damage is eliminated or minimized. Inventory health. Now, inventory is very important part of any type of business, be it retail or in e-commerce. There is no difference when it comes to inventory or managing your inventory health. You should always make sure that you have sufficient amount of stock of items available. If there are variants, then also keep your variants available so that you can fulfill your orders faster and do more and more business. Next come managing SLA. So in order to increase your sale, you should always meet up with buyers' expectation. Now, whether it is quality of the product or time taken to deliver it, it is extremely important that you meet up or match up with buyers' expectation. Now, always make sure that you mark your product as RTD, which means ready to dispatch on time, so that you can help more and more products to be delivered on time. This notifies our logistic team to come and pick up the product from you in the quickest time possible, and they deliver it to the customer the moment it is picked up from your warehouse. Now, fulfilling a return request or an exchange request on time is just as important to get good customer ratings and reviews. So here were our growth levers and tips. Now we are about to start with our question and answer round. Before we move ahead and start answering your questions, I would like to take a small feedback from you in order to understand how was your overall webinar experience with today's presentation. Once this poll is over, we will start with our question and answer round. So I would recommend everyone to please address the poll in basis of today's presentation only. And don't worry, I can see a few questions have already started to come in. I'll start answering all those questions right after this poll. The poll is visible on your screens now, requesting everyone to please share your feedback. How would you like to rate today's presentation? Thank you very much for your kind feedback, everyone. So let's start with our question and answer round. Familiar bags, your question is unclear, ma'am, it's remove or not. Can you please elaborate a little more? If you're talking about RTD breaches, then please raise a ticket with seller support team. They'll be able to help you with the same. Anil Prajapat, your question is that Supercoin promotions are more beneficial than any other promotions? See, if your intention is to increase your product visibility, then yes, depends upon what is your exact intention. Every promotion is designed in a different manner to achieve different results. So please follow and understand what promotions are available for you and what benefits you are going to get as a seller out of those promotions. Accordingly, you can choose. Anonymous attendee, your question is there any eligibility criteria to opt for Flipkart Assure? So F Assured badge doesn't come with an option for opt-in or opt-out. Okay, F Assured badge is given to buyers only if you are part of one of the following programs: Flipkart Fulfillment, Smart Fulfillment, or Smart 2.0. To know further about these programs, you should reach out to seller support team. They'll be able to help you regarding the same, or you can attend relevant webinar for these particular topics. Ritu Saraf, express delivery doesn't include Sunday working. Sunday delivery, you have to opt in separately by going into your calendar and unmarking your Sunday as holiday. Ghanshyam Patel, your question is, while working on promotions, we need to check all promotions to check eligibility of our products. At present, we are clicking on each promotion. Is there any shortcut to apply promotions to all products? Mr. Ghanshyam, the shortcut is once you opt in for the, once you go to your promotion tab, just click on the promotion opt in directly. So that way, whichever product that are eligible for that particular promotion, you will automatically opt in for all of it. Mohammed Yasin, you will receive the recording of the session on your registered email ID. Ghanshyam Patel, your question is, we have set procurement type as express in all our listings, but Mr. Ghanshyam, I would recommend you to please raise a ticket with seller support team regarding the express working. Please check with them. In case if you feel that express is not applied on any of your listing, they'll be able to help you in achieving this. Mayank Sharma, it is very simple to enable Sunday working. Go to your manage profile page, select calendar and unmark Sunday as holiday. Kratika Ojha, if you're unable to download the sheet for pricing suggestion, I would recommend you to please take a screenshot of the error that you're facing and raise it with seller support team. There might be some technical issue here. The team will be able to help you regarding this. Ritesh Gupta, your question is, does Flipkart provide free advertising credits? Only in few occasions. If there is any offer going on, at that time only you get free credits, not always. Kratika, as I said, please reach out to seller support team for the error that you're facing while downloading the Excel sheet. They'll be able to guide you regarding this. Mr. Ghanshyam, for express delivery, you're given a time slot. At that time slot, our logistic person comes and picks up the product from you accordingly. Okay. So if it is not working for you, if the person is not coming according to the time slot given to you, I would recommend you to please raise a ticket with seller support team because they'll be able to help you with the logistics. Thank you very much, Familiar Bags. Really glad I was able to help you. Anil Prajapat, Flipkart warehousing charges are very nominal. I would recommend you to first check if you have received an invite. Accordingly, you can go and check with seller support team on Flipkart warehousing prices. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, after you have set up your delivery option as express, the logistic team has to take action in picking your product on time. If that is not happening, I have recommended you multiple times, please raise a ticket with seller support team so that they can bring in the right person from logistic team to help you with this query. Kratika, I've already answered your question. Ritu Sara, for exclusive brand related promotions, you'll have to reach out to seller support team. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, smart fulfillment and Sunday working are not same. Okay. Sunday working is marking Sunday as a working day for yourself. So this is one criteria of becoming a smart fulfillment seller. So once you opt in for Sunday working, express working, and you preferably you should be selling it more than 10 products per day, then you can request for becoming a smart fulfillment seller. Kritika, for pricing suggestion feature, go to products growth tab and select opportunities. Over there, you will see pricing suggestion option. Thank you very much, Kritika. Mr. Mayank Sharma, thank you very much. Mr. Sridhar Gaikwad, your question is how can I list a product with no brand like disposable face mask? You can create your own brand name and upload the listing. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, without Sunday working, you cannot become a smart fulfillment seller. Requesting all attendees, if you have any further question, please post it in the Q&A box. Mr. Mohammad Yassin, Supercoin is a very simple concept, okay? Once you opt in for Supercoin promotion, you give a small discount to the customer, okay? After that deduction of the discount, whatever amount is there, that will be your settlement value. When you download your eligible listing file, you will see the settlement value and all the calculation, how this amount is, what will be the settlement value, how much discount is applied, and how the calculation is going to be is available in your promotions tab itself. You can check that before opting into any Supercoin promotion. Anjali Rustagi, after setting up Express, if your orders are cancelled, it has nothing to do with Express. There must be some other reason for order cancellation. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, first of all, you cannot delete your listing. You can deactivate or archive your listing or block your listing. You will not be able to delete the listing. So instead of, if you want to upload the same product again, then you can reactivate the same listing and use it. And you cannot change the use the same SKU ID. SKU ID is supposed to be unique. I hope that answers your question. All right, so I guess I've answered all the questions. Before ending this session for the day, I would like to take one more poll in order to understand how was your overall webinar experience. Okay, there's one more question. Can I? Mr. Ghanshyam, no, you will not get the buyer contact details. It's against the policy. Mr. Sridhar Gaikwad, thank you very much. No, Mr. Ghanshyam, not in any cases. We cannot, it's against the policy, we cannot share any buyer details. Mr. Mohammed Yasin, your question is, I choose Express Bus today. I forgot to file RTD after 1 hour and file RTD. There is a matrix of it. Okay, Mr. Mohammed, I'm not sure what exactly the problem is. If you have forgotten to mark your product as RTD, please raise a ticket with seller support team. They will be able to help you regarding this. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, thank you very much. Really glad I was able to answer all your questions. Anjali Rustagi, your question is, how can I receive more orders? Anjali, I have already explained all the growth levers and I've given you additional tips also. Apply all those so that you can start achieving more and more orders. So, thank you very much, everyone. Before ending this session, I would like to take one more feedback from you in order to understand how was your overall webinar experience? Was it helpful to you? For that, I'm sending you a poll. It should be visible on your screens now, requesting all of you to please address this poll and share your feedback with us. Thank you for sharing your kind feedback. I'm really glad that I was able to answer all your queries. And I would like to thank you all for taking time out from your busy schedule and joining us for this webinar session. We wish to see you all again soon. And I'm your host, Riya, signing off for the day. Thank you very much for being part of this webinar session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.